Let's prepare spaghetti with mixed vegetables and mixed meat. The vegetables that I'm going to use broccoli, zucchini, bell peppers, and carrots. This food is so yummy, so tasty, and also easy to cook. It doesn't take time. Hi guys, it's been a while, but now I'm back. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to give me a like and also to subscribe on my channel. When you like this video, please share it to your friends to also watch. Okay, first I started by frying my meat. You cook it until it's ready. I added little olive oil, then after I prepared my vegetables, and I'm cutting the onions, the different bell peppers, carrots, zucchini, broccoli. Meanwhile, here I'll be preparing the water for spaghetti. I put little salt and little corn oil. I didn't break my spaghetti. You boil them until they get cooked. Meanwhile, as I'm still boiling, I be preparing our meat. I put the onions first. I fry. Then I added the vegetables. Do not overcook. Do not overcook the vegetables, unless if you want. In my spices, I used chicken Maggi. I added salt, 1 spoon, and 1 spoon black pepper. I added half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of mixed spices, and 1.5 spoon of tomato paste. I also added chili powder. Then I added little water. You mix very well. Then I added it into my spaghetti. And here is our result, our yummy food. Don't forget to give me a like and also to subscribe on my channel. You can try out this food. Don't forget also to share my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.